Welcome to Daily English Vocabulary with Shelley. This is Lesson 2, and I'm so glad you're here. In this presentation, we'll explore 5 powerful English words to enrich your vocabulary. Each word includes its meaning, pronunciation, part of speech, and real-life examples to help you master it. Let's begin. Our first word is resilient, pronounced resilient. It's an adjective. It means able to recover quickly from difficulties, tough and flexible. It's used to describe people, organizations, or materials that bounce back after challenges. Synonyms include strong, adaptable, flexible, and hardy. Sentences. Description challenges. Her resilient spirit helped her succeed. The company proved highly resilient during the economic downturn. Oak trees are very resilient to strong winds and storms. The second word is endeavor, pronounced endeavor. It can be used as both a noun and a verb. As a noun, it means an attempt to achieve a goal, especially a difficult one. As a verb, it means to try hard to do or achieve something. Synonyms include effort, attempt, undertaking, or strive, try, and aim when used as a verb. Sentences. Starting a new business is a challenging endeavor. We must endeavor to improve our customer service. Wilmington endeavor would to become a successful author. Next is the word nuance, pronounced nuance or nuance. It's a noun. It means a subtle difference in meaning, expression, sound, or visual appearance. This word is useful for describing fine details or small but important differences. Synonyms include subtlety, shade, distinction, gradation. Sentences. Artist captured every nuance of light and shadow in the painting. Understanding the cultural nuances is important when traveling abroad. Her speech had a beautiful nuance that conveyed deep emotion. Our fourth word is facilitate, pronounced facilitate. It's a verb. It means to make an action or process easy or easier, often used in business or education to describe enabling or supporting a process. Synonyms include enable, assist, help, and expedite. Sentences. New software will facilitate better collaboration among team members. Your goal is to facilitate a smooth transition for new employees. Moderator can facilitate a productive group discussion. Our final word today is curate, pronounced curate. It's a verb. It means to select, organize, and look after a collection or exhibition, or to present content thoughtfully. Originally used in museums, but now very common in digital content. Synonyms include select, organize, assemble, and arrange. Sentences. 1. Museum's new director will curate the next art exhibition. Many social media influencers curate content for their followers. Curate her personal photo album. You for learning with me, Shelley. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Vocabulary for more easy and effective vocabulary lessons. Leave a comment below using these words in your own sentences. We'd love to read them. See you next time with more powerful words to improve your English.